Hey everyone, if you are seeking to know about how to get admission into KMU IHS Islamabad, you may have seen the advertisement in which the various programs are mentioned. You have to you have to choose one of the specific programs of your interest. But before that, the admissions will be announced later on. But this advertisement is just for to apply for the test. You have to be apply and be appear for the test, which is the criteria for the eligibility to get admission into KMU IHS Islamabad campus. If you are interested to get admission, you make sure that you must have applied and appeared for the test. The three deadlines for the test are given. You may choose whichever suits you on which dates you will be available. There are three different. To apply for KMUCAT, open the Google tab. You can just simply write the CAT ISB or you can type the IP address that is given on the advertisement catisb.kmu.pk. Open the website. You can see different tabs for applications. The green one is for the applicants who are Pakistani nationals, and for international students who are from outside the Pakistan, they will have to choose this yellow tab. New applicants of foreign nationality. While of Pakistani nationality, they will choose this one. Just simply click on this green tab and you will enter into the application process. At ISB Create Account tab will be open. You have to fill all the information to create an account. Enter your CNIC. In this, enter your valid Gmail address. Enter the code that is given here to confirm that you are human. And then, after filling all the information, note that you must correctly have entered the CNIC number and remember the password, as it will be later on required again to log in your ID or to download the roll number slips and for further informations. Now click on the create account. Your account is created now. Created, there are some important instructions you have to accept that the data you have provided is correct, because these data that you have given, they will be confirmed and they will be verified later on. So in case of any false or fake information, the admission will lead to the cancellation. After you have read all the instructions that they are correct, they are not false and fake, accept the conditions and continue. Once you have created the account, you will click on the Home tab. Now the application process will start. You have to follow these 7 steps, as there are given 7 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You have to follow all these 7 steps, number one by one. First of all, click on the step 1, add profile informations. You have to fill all the required information related to you. Select Now apply for transitional or in-service program. You have to choose it very carefully because if you are going to applying for the regular BS program, you have to choose the PS programs, and the other option is only for the transitional programs. Now upload your recent photograph. Choose the file as their instructions are given that it must be in JPG, PNG formats, and the size must be less than 512 KB. So if your photo is not according to these guidelines, you can edit them. Choose the file, upload your recent photograph, and add. Once the photo is uploaded, you will enter into the third step, in which you have to select the test center and the test date. As you are applying for the Islamabad campus, so you have to choose the center Islamabad. Then choose the test date. As the first one is recommended, you can choose whatever date suits you or in which dates you are available. I have chosen the phase 1. If you have missed the phase 1, you can apply for phase 2 and then you can also apply for the phase 3. Save and move to the next step. You have almost done the application process, but the most important, when the fifth steps come, you have to review your application and now you can download the deposit slip. The most important in this step is you have to submit the application form. That if there are any changes need to be made, you can make at this step. Review the whole application and after that your deposit slip will be generated. You have to declare that all the information provided is correct and it is not fake and false because these all information will be verified later on. Once you have verified, then click on the submit and print bank deposit slip. So if you have now your deposit slip is generated, you can click on this tab, red tab, download KMUCAT ISB Phase 1 deposit slip. Your deposit slip is now downloaded. Take print of your deposit slip and you can submit this deposit slip into the bank. And now they have provided the number as this is the consumer ID, this ID. You can submit the payment through this ID. You just have to pay through your mobile apps as EasyPaisa, through Jazz Cash, or through your personal bank account. You can pay these payments through this number. So this number will be used to pay your amount. Once you have submitted your payment, now let's come to the home. You have completed all these steps, step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, and now let's come to the 6th step, upload paid deposit slip. Once you have deposit your payment, after the screenshot or photos of your deposit slip and upload, you have to choose, as I have applied for phase 1, now select the file. The screenshot or the photo of the deposit slip will be uploaded. This is in case if you have submitted your payment into the bank. Otherwise, now the online options are also available. You can pay through EasyPaisa, the Jazz Cash, and through the personal bank account. You can also take the screenshot of these you have applied through the app and then upload the screenshot here. Then you upload deposit slip. Now the deposit slip is successfully saved. Completed all the 6 steps and now the 7th step is print roll number slip. Then later on you have to print the roll number slip before the test date which you have to bring, which is mandatory to bring to the test venue. Thank you for watching and good luck for the test.